The explosion-proof LED light from Larson Electronics is rated Class 1 and 2, Divisions 1 and 2. This unit comes equipped with 2 magnetic feet to help secure the light fixture in position. The light head produces 21,000 lumens of light while drawing only 150 watts. This light is ideal for illuminating enclosed areas and hazardous locations. The light is easily adjustable up or down 90 degrees. This light features an explosion-proof plug. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.